Hey guys, alright, so I know this is out of nowhere, but we're working on the Miata right now to try to get it started up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys over there so you can see what's going on and how everything is going. Alright, so let's go. We're gonna go ahead and give it another shot. Hold on. Let me know when to shut off because I'm not gonna give any gas. I'm gonna give it gas. Put on the new cluster, I'll be able to see the RPM.
Sucking through here too.
Yeah.
There's a couple little button up there. It sounds good.
Yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see, the car runs, it turns on, but we still gotta fix up a little things here and tighten up a few things. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new cluster that we bought at the other place and install it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that we got. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you guys all the goodies that we got. Bam! Look at that hardtop. I can't wait to install her. Sheesh. Let me go ahead and get some help to open up, take out everything that's in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a closer view of everything. This is the glass window, even though it's not glass, for the hardtop, for the back piece. This is the metal piece that always rots or rusts in the back, and I was lucky to get in perfect condition. And then this is the cluster that I need so I can be able to read everything. And you know, typical things in a Miata, the thing goes out. A lot of things, I'm saying things, but I can't remember the name right now because I'm so excited for the car. But you'll see when we install this as well, because it's always leaking and stuff. Master cylinder, I believe it is, I'm not sure. And then this is the splash guard that I don't have, and I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on this. And this is a trunk, because the one that we have right now is dent in the back. So now we have a perfectly in mint condition. It just needs to get washed and stuff. Trunk in good condition. So yeah, guys. Alright guys, so to be able to take out this cluster, just in case if you didn't know, there's, okay, the glare won't show you. There's two cables in the back that holds one on this side and one on the other side. So it'll be, so the one that plugs in there and the one that plugs in there. There should be an extra plug here, but for some reason this one doesn't have it. So maybe that's the reason why I can't be able to see my RPMs or even the temperature for the car. Okay, so we tried figuring out what was going on with the cluster, but we weren't able to still get it to read the RPMs or the speed. So we decided to take a break off of that and go ahead and start installing the hardtop. So I'm going to show you what came with the hardtop, and then I'm going to show you step by step how we install it. So this is what came with the hardtop, and it comes with some bolts, screw washers. And first what we're going to start off is grab some tape, and if you can have a second person to help you out, that would be better. So they come with pre-drilled holes inside here, and what we're going to do is we're going to line this up, and then we're going to get some drilling bits and drill, first starting with the middle. We're going to start from the middle on the top, and then we're going to go with the bottom and work our way across. So when we get the first hole in there, we're going to go ahead and put a bolt in there just to hold it in place. And then we're gonna start with the next one. And then we're gonna work our way across on both ends and try to make sure to keep everything even. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how it goes with the first bolt, or the first hole. So after you guys get it lined up with 2 people holding it, you want to get the first tape on the top, so then you can hold it in place and then try to tape all around little small parts, so then it can be able to hold it fine for you while you drill the hole. So after drilling in the hole, you're gonna want to go ahead and put in the washer, and remember, we're gonna take this back out again. We're just putting this here so then it can hold it in place when we're going to go bend it in the curves. We're going to continue this with each bolt that we're drilling a new hole and put in a new washer until we finish all the way through, and then we're gonna go with the next step. So this is what the results should look like after you're done drilling out all the holes and you put in the bolts just to hold it in place, so like we could be able to make it to this corner and stuff. And then I'll go ahead and show you how it looks like under. And then now we're gonna go ahead and take out all the bolts so then we can take out the plastic window out again. Alright guys, so after taking out all the bolts off of the window, what you want to do is grab some soapy water and a rag and clean it up, because now we're gonna put the weather stripping now. Alright guys, so then after washing it around and cleaning it, now you're gonna grab the weather strip that is provided, and then you're gonna go ahead and stick it all around. Start off with the corner and then work your way all the way around, and then try to get a razor blade and try to poke a hole from under so then you can be able to put in the bolt through it. Remember guys, follow around with the hole. Make sure you have the gasket or whatever it's called in between the hole. So have the hole in the middle of it, because that's what's gonna seal and keep the water out from reaching inside. Alright, so you guys are questioning me, how the hell do you get this blade or any blade inside the holes when they're so tiny? So I just realized that, and what I did is I grabbed one of these, the tiniest one that you can find. And so to grab one of the tiniest one of these, then go under and try to see where the hole is at, and then you could puncture this right through it and then reach at the end. Make sure you apply some pressure on here so that it doesn't lift up this, and then you'll have the hole in there, and then you can work your way up to a bigger size so then you can be able to put the bolt inside. So while my uncle's puncturing the holes on the gasket or whatever, we're gonna go ahead and they should pre-cut this already for you around the edges. So we're gonna go ahead and peel it, and remember, when you're peeling, peel away so then you don't end up picking up from the other. And then we're gonna go ahead and scuff it up, the exposed area, and then we're gonna paint it up. But as you can see over here how it's marked up, this should already have a pre-cut for you, and then you're just gonna peel it out. So remember, peel away, continues all the way around. And there you go. It's peeled off. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab something to scuff this up so then we can paint it, so then the paint can stick well on it. Go ahead and see if you can find some sandpaper, and then lightly just scratch around and just scuff it up a little bit all around so then the paint can be able to stick. Always remember guys, when you're spraying, go light on the first coat and then go ahead and go on the second. Alright guys, now after letting the paint dry up for a bit, now we're gonna go ahead and peel it out. So you're gonna go ahead and put the painted part towards the inside, like facing the inside. And then we're gonna go ahead and start putting the bolts on. Back on. Alright guys, well when you guys are tightening the bolts here, make sure you don't do it too tight or else it'll seem a little uneven. But we just finished now and it honestly came out really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a view now. It looks a little dull now because I haven't peeled out the plastic layer, but it's getting dark outside and we're gonna have to save this for the next video. Sorry about that. But this is how it looks after all. It came out really good. Not too bad. But in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to put on the gasket on the back end. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and install it on the car. And as well, put in a headliner under so that it doesn't look all like this, all plain. But it came out really good. We got the car to start up today, which that's huge. And we're able to get the hardtop halfway completed. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.